Hi, my name is Christopher Gibson, and I will be doing my tool tutorial on visual thinking strategies. This is a strategy that I did as a one-off class last semester, and it was very popular with the students, and I was able to get quite a lot of information for assessments as well. Because we broke it up into groups, we had 4 groups of 4. They had to elect one person who was going to speak. Everybody had to write something down. Grammar counted, punctuation counted, and spelling counted, and everything needed to be legible. So we got all 4 C's in one class. So we had collaboration with the groups, we had communication between each group and other groups, we had creativity, because when you look at these images, you have to be creative. You have no idea what's going on, and you use critical thinking. So this right here is the definition from one of the founders, Philip Yedaween. It's basically just the ability to find meaning in imagery. So it says it involves a set of skills ranging from simple identification, that's a bunny, to complex interpretation, which is that's a bunny that's being chased by a fox, that's being chased by a wolf, that's being chased by a dog, that's being chased by somebody with a garment rack who's trying to get lots of coats. You can't necessarily see that, but it's a famous picture called Woodcock Shooting, and it's been trapped in my head since I was a little kid. So, how does it actually work? Well, here's the procedure. We start with a question. What's going on in this picture? What do you see that makes you say what you said? Repeat back what they said so everyone can hear it. Because those students, even though they've been elected to speak, are not always particularly comfortable with it. And finally, what more do you see? So this is one of the pictures, and I usually go to the New York Times. They have a page dedicated to visual thinking strategies, and it's called the Learning What's Going On in This Picture. They have a huge, enormous trove of these images. And the best part is they have them for just about every discipline. So you can use them for history, social studies, language arts, science. You could use them for phys ed if you were doing visual thinking strategies and aesthetic learning as well. And how do I use it? Well, like I said, I pretty much just set it up as groups. Everyone speaks, everyone writes, everybody signs their names, and just make sure that we keep to the behavioral expectations, which is everybody's input is valued. There's no right or wrong. We listen to everyone. We are respectful. One person talks at a time. You put up your hand and wait to be called on if you have something to say beyond what your group did, and you keep your contribution short and focused. This helps everyone get a chance to speak. So what do you do if you are not a visual arts teacher like me? So in the yellow highlight here, tailor your images for your discipline. You have all these different choices: controversial images, ambiguous images, lots of detail and observation, misleading images. I try to stay away from abstract images, but it's definitely something that you could throw in there. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I hope this helped.